Karnataka Legislative Assembly elections are scheduled to be held on 10th May 2023 to elect all 224 members of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly. The results will be declared on 13th May 2023. Total number of electors or voters of the Karnataka state is 5,24,11,557. Male voters 2,63,78,468. Female voters 2,60,28,344. Third gender voters are 41,312. Seat division details are general seats 173, scheduled caste seats 36, scheduled tribe seats 15. Ticket distribution by major political parties is among 7 communities, and here is the detail. For the Lingayat community, tickets given by BJP are 68, 51 tickets by Congress and 44 tickets by JDS. Tickets to the Okkaliga community by BJP are 42, Congress tickets 44 and 54 tickets given by JDS. Tickets given to the scheduled caste are 36 by BJP, 36 by Congress and 34 by JDS. Scheduled tribes 18 tickets by BJP, 16 tickets by Congress, 14 tickets by JDS. Muslim community 0 tickets by BJP, 15 tickets by Congress and 23 tickets by JDS. Brahmin community 12 by BJP, 6 by Congress and 2 by JDS. Kuruba community 8 tickets by BJP, 14 by Congress and 10 by JDS. Bengaluru rural region is considered as stronghold of JDS since Okkaliga community is dominant in the region. However, Kodagu district is dominated by Kodva community who supports BJP. In Kolar, SC/ST community plays a major role, but OBC and Muslim community has a significant presence in the area. Bengaluru region comprises BBMP area with 28 assembly seats. This region is divided in 3 zones: Bengaluru South, Bengaluru North and Bengaluru Central. While Bengaluru South is dominant by Brahmins and Okkaliga community, Bengaluru North is dominant by Okkaliga community and Bengaluru Central dominant with OBCs and Muslims. Dear viewers, this series will bring you the information regarding the constituencies and leaders. Stay tuned with Sala Digital.